wave could well be tomorrow. Temperatures may be as high as 34 or 35 Celsius and much more humid as well. But as the week goes on, we will see some changes. In fact, rather more comfortable towards the end of the week, near around 24, which is getting to more normal values for this time of year. There'll be a change in the weather pattern as well. At the moment it's very quiet with high pressure in charge, but by midweek this front could be quite active as it pushes through central and northern areas, and then another system arriving for Friday. In fact, towards the end of the week the trend will be for much more mobile weather and fairly breezy weather too, coming in from the west. Well, at the moment, as I said, it's very quiet. Quite dramatic differences actually from place to place. Got a finger of persistent low clouds stretching across the Midlands and South East England. Some glorious sunshine in places. We've also got a front too that's waiting out to the west of Ireland, and as this pushes through it'll bring, I think, rather more instability for tomorrow, perhaps triggering a few showers, especially I think later on in the day tomorrow across the hills of northern Britain. Onto that in just a moment. Let's start with Sunday's forecast then, and strong sunshine especially across the south and eventually pushing in across the Midlands and South East England, I think, for this afternoon. Up to the north a little bit of bright or sunny weather too, but still the cloud thickest across northwest Scotland with the odd spot of rain. Now, temperatures in the north around the low 20s. A bit fresher too on the east coast today with onshore winds, but inland again with that strong sunshine up to 30 or 31. That's around the high 80s Fahrenheit, and also high levels of air pollution, particularly ozone in East Anglia and South East England. Now tonight a rather muggy night, quite an uncomfortable night I think to sleep, especially in southern Britain. In the towns and cities in particular we might see temperatures falling no lower than 17 or 18 degrees. And it will be a much more hot and humid day tomorrow in the south and southeast. Temperatures as high as 34 Celsius, as I said earlier. And also later in the day, a little bit more cloud developing, perhaps with the odd sharp shower or thunderstorm late in the day. And we'll be keeping a close watch on that. At the moment, just about a 10% chance, I think. Then for Tuesday, those thunderstorms gradually pushing off into the North Sea, so a window of dry weather in eastern areas. Late in the day, though, in the west, we'll see the cloud thickening up. We'll see some rain moving across Ireland. That'll gradually push its way across central and eastern parts of Britain on Wednesday, even the odd rumble of thunder. Then for Thursday, though, I think we'll get rid of those showers in the southeast. There'll be some drier, some sunnier weather coming through, but then later on in the week, especially for Friday, wet and windy weather again. That's it.